Are you a beginner looking to invest your money but don't know where to start? With so many investment apps available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. In this video, we'll be discussing the best investment apps for beginners. We'll be looking at the features, fees, and user experience of each app to help you make an informed decision. Investing can be a great way to grow your wealth, but it's important to choose the right app that suits your needs and goals. So, let's dive in and explore the best investment apps for beginners. Robinhood is a popular investment app that offers commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and options. The app is user-friendly and easy to navigate, making it a great option for beginners. With Robinhood, you can buy and sell stocks and other securities with just a few taps on your smartphone. The app also provides real-time market data and news, allowing you to stay up to date on your investments. Setting up a Robinhood account is quick and easy, and there are no account minimums or fees. However, it's important to note that Robinhood does not offer retirement accounts or mutual funds. While Robinhood offers commission-free trading, they do charge fees for other services such as margin trading and cryptocurrency trading. Overall, Robinhood is a great option for beginners looking to start investing in individual stocks and ETFs. Acorns is an investment app that helps you invest your spare change. The app links to your debit or credit card and rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar, investing the difference. Acorns also offers pre-built portfolios based on your investment goals and risk tolerance. The app's user interface is simple and easy to use, making it a great option for beginners. Setting up an Acorns account is quick and easy, and there are no account minimums. Acorns charges a monthly fee based on your account balance, ranging from $1 to $5 per month. While Acorns is a great option for those looking to invest small amounts of money, it may not be the best option for those looking to invest larger sums. Overall, Acorns is a great option for beginners looking to start investing with small amounts of money. Stash is an investment app that offers a variety of investment options, including individual stocks, ETFs, and pre-built portfolios. The app's user interface is easy to navigate, making it a great option for beginners. Setting up a Stash account is quick and easy, and there are no account minimums. Stash charges a monthly fee based on your account balance, ranging from $1 to $9 per month. Stash also offers educational content and personalized investment advice, making it a great option for those looking to learn more about investing. However, it's important to note that Stash does not offer commission-free trading. While the fees may be higher than some other investment apps, Stash's educational content and personalized advice may make it worth the cost for some investors. Overall, Stash is a great option for beginners looking for a variety of investment options and personalized advice. Betterment is an investment app that offers automated investing and personalized advice. Setting up a Betterment account is quick and easy, and the app offers a variety of investment options, including individual stocks, ETFs, and pre-built portfolios. Betterment's user interface is easy to navigate, and the app offers personalized investment advice based on your goals and risk tolerance. Betterment charges an annual fee based on your account balance, ranging from 0.25% to 0.40%. The app also offers tax loss harvesting and retirement accounts, making it a great option for those looking to invest for the long term. However, it's important to note that Betterment may not be the best option for those looking to invest in individual stocks. Overall, Betterment is a great option for beginners looking for automated investing and personalized advice. With so many investment apps available, it's important to choose the one that best suits your needs and goals. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision.